Hey everybody, how's it going? So a lot of people have been asking, because I got 150,000 new subscribers here in the past few weeks, what is this channel about? Is this about right to repair? Is this about fixing things? Is this about news? Is this about stocks? Is this not financial advice? Definitely not financial advice. It is none of the above. This channel is about cats. Here you have Mr. Clinton, who is grabbing my hand and digging his claw into my hand here. And over here, you have Blackberry. Say hello, Blackberry. I liked you better when you were over $20 a share. And this here is Clinton. These are my kitties. And the channel really belongs to them. The content is dictated by them. And they appear whenever they wish to appear. Sometimes Mr. Clinton will come on and discuss topics. Sometimes Mr. Clinton will discuss Eli the computer guy. And they'll have conversations back and forth. But for the most part, this is his channel. He calls the shots. He says how things go. And at the end of the day, my time really kind of belongs to him. That's my Clinton. He's my Clinton monster. Good boy, Clinton. He just wants some attention. See? Oh, is that good Clinton? Who loves you? He's laying down next to my Clinton monster. Good boy. By the way, in the last video that I did, the Right to Repair one, I included an invite link to the Discord in a channel. I'm going to have to start a document. I saw a bunch of people joined and started talking, and I appreciate it. But I really do want to make a document that goes over all the points that the anti-right to repair people for farming have to say, and then have people who are actual farmers, when they have a chance, rebuke them. Perhaps we could make a Google Doc and then collectively work on it and edit it within the Discord. Seems like something that would be good to start doing. And Mr. Clinton is, well, he's thinking about what he could add to the document right now. Oh, he loves me. You know, for all how much of an asshole this cat can be at times, I gotta give it up. He really does love me. He's a good boy. He breaks shit. He destroys things. He runs back and forth. He tries to knock Erica's MacBook off of the counter.
Epsteiner.
He did that, Epsteiner.
He did Epsteiner.
That.
I walked away for 3 minutes and my computer was dead.
That Cougar Point PCH was gonna die any moment. It's kind of interesting that I'm dating a girl that's mildly older than me, and the part that broke in her MacBook is called Cougar. Cougar Point PCH, and you're saying, I'm lucky she didn't just stab me with something.
Okay. What? You know what? One part of your Lenovo should be called next time?
What?
Paper hands.
Too soon, Erica. Too soon. Look at this kitty. Like, look at how cute he is. Look at him just sitting there. Look at him. Look, he's got his chin as close to my leg as can be. Oh, there we go. Clinton. He's the right to repair cat. One of the saddest things about having an animal is that you usually outlive them. That's the worst part of having an animal. I hope that's not the case with Mr. Clinton.
It won't be the case. He's gonna Epstein you.
I would be surprised if he tried.
You don't have to worry about that. He already struck Cleo.
I would be surprised if he tried.
Cleo down. Repairman down next.
Is he this affectionate with you when I'm not home, when I'm at work?
No,
Does he do
really.
this? Like,
He's kind of affectionate, but he doesn't nuzzle me. Usually Orioles, gets all in my business.
He hasn't meowed once. He's just been purring. So it's weird because usually he screams and he meows over and over again.
Depends what he wants, right?
Now he's just purring. Good boy. What does he usually want from you?
Food. More food.
That's usually Oreo that asks for more food.
Oh, Oreo's mad ever since I added that dental powder to his food.
I noticed that ever since you added the dental powder that he doesn't want to eat it. That's his protest.
He doesn't. He just doesn't want to have clean teeth, I guess. But he eats it.
He's in my spot of the bed. That's why I'm sitting over here.
Ooh.
I'm going to have to evict him at some point.
Choose your next actions carefully.
I love the optical stabilization on my $140 Moto. My LG G8 before I could actually live stream from that from my bike with it mounted to the bike, and it was perfectly smooth. This phone, just my hand shaking, and it's more shaky than that on my bike.
What do you expect to get out of this phone? You always
It's 140 bucks. I got what I paid for.
Well,
Piece of shit.
this is what you get for 140 bucks. You're not gonna get like iPhone quality from a $140 phone. Just saying.
Someday I gotta stop being such a cheapskate.
Yeah, get an iPhone.
Fuck that.
Why?
I'm buying no fucking iPhone.
It's not like you're gonna fix your phone anyway.
I need my phone to work. But I'm
It
gonna
does
wake up
work.
one day and it'll be, oh, error 14, your data's gone. Fuck that.
Or you can't use your phone unless you update your iTunes first.
No, like this whole idea that I can just wake up one day and my phone says the storage is full and then it error 14s me and then all my data's gone. That's such a fucking scam. And it's been going on for years at this point. It's just, yeah.
Why did you ask Lenovo to make you a phone?
I would consider an iPhone if it was free.
Really?
Like if it didn't cost money.
I'll give you an iPhone.
Not that no.
What? Why not? You're just backtracking.
Because you have an iPhone 5.
Huh?
That's not a fucking iPhone.
It is an iPhone.
That's a.
You said I can give
That's
you an
not an
iPhone
iPhone.
4.
That's
You want
that.
an iPhone 4?
That's like the Gordon Gekko Wall Street phone. Shit's so old.
Okay, you know what? After I get my MacBook, I'll buy you an iPhone. I'll get you the one with all the shebangs.
You're not getting a MacBook.
Huh?
I get you a ThinkPad.
What? I don't want no ThinkPad.
Beautiful ThinkPad.
What? With the free nipple attached?
You'll be able to do your skull crushers and your curls with it, and your bench press, your squats.
Screw that.
It has some heft and weight to it.
My foot remembers that weight too.
What happened? How did the foot thing ever occur?
Okay, so this is what happened. And we were at the airport. I think we were in Washington or something.
Uh huh.
And then his phone, his laptop dropped, and I felt the full power of that Lenovo ThinkPad go on my foot. My foot remembers it too.
The P50 with 2 drives in it.
I mean, like, I dropped Cleo on my foot, you know.
It wasn't even dropped all the way. It was sitting on top of my bag, and my bag was sitting on the ground, and then the ThinkPad moving from the top of my bag to the ground smashed your foot, and you looked at me like you just broke a bone.
I know. It really did hurt, you know. Now I understand why there's not too much demand for that
There's
ThinkPad.
not demand for ThinkPad repair because they're built like tanks.
Because no one wants to buy it.
People want to buy it.
Who?
I gotta go back. I have to be a
People
better
who
influencer.
People who want to do weightlifting.
I have to be a better influencer.
You know, I hate to break it to you, but the whole trend is thinner, faster, smoother, sleeker.
They have that with the X1 Carbon.
How come
I
you
probably
don't-
fucked up my chance to like promote their products when I called the ThinkPad Retro a piece of shit and the T440 a steaming pile of shit.
I think you messed up your chances of promoting their product after they heard your language.
That and calling it the T440 a steaming pile of shit. But this T440 trackpad was a steaming pile of shit, and they did fix it.
Yeah, but can you think about it? What they're gonna do? They're gonna sponsor you. They're gonna be like, "Hey, what guy's gonna sponsor a ThinkPad? Oh, the Apple guy. Oh, great." The credibility. You know, they gotta watch out how they describe you. That's why you're still Reddit user on Yahoo Finance.
I'm proud to be at 1.5 million subscribers and not have had a single sponsor.
You're proud?
Let's see, actually. Was that true?
You had a sponsor.
Okay, does that count? If someone sends you a piece of shit product to review and you have to send it back?
This is why you
when
don't
you're
have
done,
sponsor.
does that
This
count?
is my piece of shit. You have to say this is a glorious
It
product.
was. Remember the soldering station?
Game-changing.
Remember that fucking 1960s soldering station that they wanted $600 to $500 for?
Yeah.
It's like made in America. When in 1942?
Yeah.
There was that, and there was the microscope that was kind of bad, but I had Paul review.
You know what you gotta do? You gotta be more sponsor friendly.
How do you be more sponsor friendly?
You
We have
gotta-
cats.
Huh?
We have cats. We have fuck Apple. We have right to
No,
repair.
that's not a F Apple is not
We have
sponsor friendly.
Fuck Apple.
You
Fuck
got
Wall
you
Street.
gotta say Hail Apple or something like that.
Hail.
Hail.
That's
yeah.
getting a little too close to some weird shit, Erica. Wow.
What?
Okay, I'm not gonna start hail.
What? Oh,
weird.
great Apple. What? What? I love Apple. I don't know what you do. No, you know what you gotta do. You gotta do your spiel, right? And you gotta be like, hey everybody, I want to talk to you about New York City real estate. But first, let me tell you about this amazing.
You can't even make it through the sentence. You
Huh?
you knock off
Yeah, that's
influencer.
different. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about.
Erica,
I'm gonna
I
talk
gave you
to
a
about
chance.
this great book over here.
I gave you a
What?
chance, Erica, to be I gave you a chance to do a video, and then you're like, "Hey, everybody! Today we're gonna talk about."
Oh, whatever.
You sounded like Hillary Clinton toppling a government.
Whatever. Yeah, you know what? I'm not good with the sponsorship stuff. I don't have a single sponsor either. But I'm sure after I have like 2 sponsorships, I'd be
You're
better.
probably gonna get a sponsorship on your channel before I get one on mine.
How would my sponsors?
You should see my
How
inbox.
would
It's like
people even contact
we
me?
have a shitty, crappy, spammy, scammy Android game. We would like you to promote it for $15. It's like shit
Really?
like.
How come you didn't promote it?
Oh, fuck
All
you
you
and your
gotta
$15.
be
you
all
fucking
like,
prick.
okay, hey everybody, today we're gonna learn how to repair MacBook. But first, let me tell you about this amazing Android game that's gonna rock your socks.
If I wanted to grade myself at $15, I'll fucking sing on the corner and have a cup and shake it around. I'd probably make more.
Wait,
My singing is amazing. Have you heard me sing the Sailor Moon theme in my recent live stream?
I think I did.
Oh,
I think
yeah,
I saw a drop in your viewership too. Because they're like, what the hell is
Hey.
this? What?
That was a raise in my spike of my viewership.
A spike in the dislikes. Don't get it twisted now.
I had your broken ass MacBook upside down so you
Huh?
couldn't see the graph properly.
Whatever. But yeah, you could think about monetizing your channel more, adding in more sponsors, just shilling everything. I mean, like maybe you could show Ziploc bags.
Why would I show Ziploc
Don't
bags?
you use Ziploc bags?
I do use Ziploc
Yeah, you gotta
bags.
say, this stuff saves computers, it saves the world, and saves one sandwich at a time too. Something corny like that.
I don't think Ziploc is on the list.
Why not?
I don't think that they're a good match.
You gotta clean up your language. Instead of say, F Apple, you gotta say
The 7 words that you're not allowed to say.
what? Yeah, no F, no S words, no, God beeping, that kind of stuff. We're just gonna beep out your language in all your future videos. Every time you curse, if I was in charge of editing, I'd make a little meow. I'd make an Oreo meow every time you'd be like, meow, apple. What?
That would send the wrong message.
What? No one would know. No one would know, I'm editing your videos either. It'd be flawless. People would be like, man, I could tell Lewis edited these videos. It could be good. Hey, I'm just trying to think of ways to make your channel grow. That way you can get to 2 million subscribers and you'll have one sponsor besides yourself. Maybe 2.
Myself is my only sponsor.
Yeah, but you gotta let these people. You gotta
Store.rossmangroup.com.
you gotta open your eyes and open your horizons to like $15 Android games. I don't know, maybe some body waxing kind of
Body waxing. That went really quickly from Android games to body waxing.
What?
Sponsored by Paul Daniels. Maybe Paul Daniels can do body waxing.
What?
That sounds like the kind of thing that he would be into.
What? You know what? He would be able to show that body waxing so smoothly too, and he would say it very classy like too. What?
Oh, free discount with your flexible review, I guess.
What's this thing like PD or something like that?
What?
What's his like? He has a PD something or something like that. PL
19
Daniel.
PLD
Yeah,
73.
that's his discount code for body wax. I think it would be
He
good.
doesn't even even shave his beard. What are you talking about body waxing?
He can wax other parts.
What? Where do you come up with this?
What? I'm just saying. But yeah, you could do some body waxing sponsorships. You could be like, yeah, do you see my V-necks getting a little lower? That's because I'm silky smooth with the Man Groomer 9000.
Might as well become the My Pillow person.
You could be the My Pillow. Don't forget your discount code. What would your discount be? Huh? I'm trying to think. I don't know, but you gotta come up with like a good discount code.
8.55.
8.5? No, that's not catchy.
It's the PP Bus G3 hot voltage of a functioning MacBook Air.
What? No. People will be like, is that 8 point or is it POINT? I don't know. You gotta think of something.
How much do they want the discount?
Huh?
How much do they want the discount?
I don't know. Okay, I guess maybe. Anyway, you gotta just, you gotta work. I mean, you're an influencer now, allegedly.
Allegedly.
You know what? You can make your coupon code Reddit user. How's that?
Reddit user.
Reddit user.
You know, I have more views on Yahoo Finance than 99% of their videos on their platform.
Yeah.
Now, is this somebody like pointed out? You go through their video list, it's like 100 view, 100 view, 100 view, Lewis Rossman, 990,000, then 100 view, 90 view, 50 view, 100 views.
Yeah.
They should have me back on and talk about finance more often.
Yeah, Reddit user comes back on and talks.
I'll discuss, interest rates and inflation and consumer price index and the commodity prices and all that.
Yeah, and everybody would say, look, it's the Reddit user. Wow, everyone's favorite Reddit user.
How does Yahoo support themselves with